So in this video, I'm going to show you how can we make a plan of a park using AutoCAD. So this is just for educational purpose. So let's start. So my cursor is small, so I'll go to the options command OP enter. So here I'm going to display and I'm increasing my crosshair size, so it is easier for me. And I'll go to the 3D drafting. I'll make increase the size of auto snap and aperture, so it's fine. Selection also pick up box and grip size, I'll make it bigger. So apply and okay. So my cursor is bigger now. So first check the units, units, enter. So it is in millimeters, that's fine. Okay, so I want to draw my drawing in millimeters. So let's start to make a rectangular park. So L enter. So let's assume my rectangular park is 70 meters of length. So I'll make it orthogonal on. So 70,000 because it's in millimeters. So similarly, sorry, L enter 70,000 enter. This 70,000. So L enter again. Maybe width is 40, 40 meters. Enter. So again length, perpendicular line. Again from here perpendicular straight line. I will print the axis. So I want to make a pathway or a running track around the periphery of this park. So let's assume our width will be 1500, 1.5 meter. So that will be like 5 feet. That will be enough. O enter. Offset for offset O enter. So distance is 1500 enter. See, now I'll choose for every sides. So I want a pond in the middle. That's just my plan. So I'll go here, click here in auto home and open. I'm not clicking it. I'm just keeping my cursor here and I'll go to the sample files, install sample files, ENUS, design center and landscaping. I'll open this. So here is the block that we can use. So I'll just select all these, Control C. So I'll just go to my drawing and Control V. So this is very small. So I'll just select this SC, scale it a bit bigger. See, according to my requirement. So yeah, this might be okay. So I'll CO copy enter. Anywhere, I just click here and I'll just drag it like this. So since this is orthogonal is on, I can just move in X and Y direction only. So now I can make it in the center. See, like this. So I want my pathway in between also. So I can choose the midpoint, right? So I'll go to the auto snap, OSNAP, O snap, or I can just from the toolbar, I can select this and select the midpoint. Again, select in the drawing, L enter. Now I can see the midpoint here. I'll make one line here and another line here. And again, I just want to offset 1500. That's for the width of my park. So again, this is a block. So I want to come out of this block. So I'll explode this. I'll select this X enter. X means explode enter. So now this is individual component. So I can again offset each 1500. So I'll select this O enter 1500 enter like this. So for previous command, I just can choose escape. Sorry, I can just enter space. So like this. So now I will trim the intersection like this. Intersection, trim the intersection here, trim the intersection here, trim the intersection here. So here also I will trim the intersection, trim the intersection, trim the intersection, trim the intersection. So this line also I want to trim, or I can just break BR enter. So to this end, and also I'll select to this end. Again break BR enter. Now I can select this line. So select here, there will be red point, then stretch like this. Similarly, select this BR. I'll break this line. See, so again, similarly, for this line also break this edge, this edge, and this line will be here. Okay, so I don't want this sharp edge, right? So I want to make it a curve. So I'll fillet it F enter. So I want a curve path, so I will give the radius as well. So R enter. So maybe radius of 2000, 2000 enter means 2 meters. See, now I can do this for every drawings, every edge, corners like this. So every edge like this, like this. So for previous command, again I'll say you is space. Just click the space from the keyboard, so it will go to the previous command. So my previous command was fillets, so that's why I'm doing it very quickly. See, I can delete this. I can just join this like this, delete this. I can just delete this as well. I can delete this as well. Okay, so this is my path. So again, I want to hatch this. So before I want to create a layer, I'll go to layer properties. So this is the layer I have created. So go to the new layer and create the layer like uh, trees and make it like green color. Select like this and do it for every layers. Maybe for trees, pavements, lake, others like that. Okay. So now I will hatch enter. I will hatch the pavement. So I'll click this area. See, this is hatched. Then I will go and select the pattern. So here is AR H for pavement. I'll just select this, but it's very small, so I can um, change the scale from here like 150. See, skip. Now I'll select this hatch. I'll go to the home and make it pavement. So this is how I can make the pavement. Then I'll like to keep the trees to tool palace. Go to tool palace here, select the tool palace like this, and here is the trees empirical. So I'll just drag it to my drawing. I'll close this. I'll select this. I'll go to the layers and make it trees. See, Okay, so I'll just copy CO enter, copy it in the boundary between. So I'll copy this like uh, I'll select all of this. I'll again copy this like this. See, so I'll again select all of this. I can again copy it here like this. Again here down like this. Again down here like this, and again in this direction as well. See, move and again copy this and then as per your requirement like this. So it's not compulsory that you need to make these trees. This is just my plan. It depends upon your plan. If you don't want to make a tree also, it's fine. So I'm just showing you how to use basic AutoCAD command for your educational purpose. So like this. So now I want to make a bathroom here just for um here. So I'll just make a block. I'll see enter this page. Just click and oh, okay, I can drop the line L enter. So let's assume the length is 7 meters. Then means 7,000, breadth 5,000, enter like this. And from this end like this and trim the F. So this is my toilet. So I'll copy this. This is my table and chair. Let's assume that's my barbecue area. I'll just want to make a bit bigger, then I'll scale it like this. So I'll copy here, here, here. So this is my sitting area or barbecue area. So that's just I just want to draw. I'll just make another like okay, this is fine. So I just want to make a playing area for children. So I'll make slides first. I just want to make a rectangle. I don't want to make, I'll just copy this. Like I want two or three slides. So like this. These are the slides in my drawing. I also want to make another like swing for children. So I'll just make a swing here like this. Swing maybe a bit thinner. So like this. And I want to make a go to draw and spline. I'll just make a rough shape for like mm, again I want to go to the spline and just for sand area just to play. I just want to of this rectangle. Sorry, I just forgot to click and just again very quick. You can use any shape. So it's very handy to use. Just click the enter and just join this. So this is my sand area. So here I want to make a basketball court maybe here fountain in this area. So I'll make a circle like this. And I'll just offset it like 1000. Oh, enter 1000 like this. So this is my fountain. So I'll again make some uh, copy this bushes. So this is my like garden. So and I again copy this sitting area. So I don't want table, right? So for I think this will be enough for the this assessment purpose. So yeah, so here I can make anything like basketball court. So I'll go to the internet. Here I have see the dimension of basketball court. I'll put the dimension of basketball court. I can select this image and I'll go to the sniping tool as the sniping tool. Just select here, select new and drag this here. Okay. So go to the AutoCAD here, drawing and control V. See, you can make the drawing. You can scale this drawing according to your requirement. So, but this is, you can't just put it directly. So you have to make on the top of this rectangle. I'll just make a rectangle here on the top of this. I'll make a straight line in the middle. I'll make a circle as well. So I'll just in the top of it. So it's easier. I'll make a rectangle here from here to this end. Or I'll close this or snap like this. Then from this end like this. I'll just make a semicircle from here, circle, and make a circle here. So make another circle here. So this is done, and I will select this image from here, and I will delete this image so I can get the basketball here. So we snap. Mm, the center. So I just want to extend this. So go to snap and again intersection. I can just go above this and I will trim this. I can extend this from here like this. I can trim that. I can break the circle, same circle like this. So this is my basketball court. So now just make a coincident line. So I forgot to make one line here. So maybe from here like this. So then break. I'm just making basketball court. So it's not compulsory that you need to make a basketball court. So I'll exclude this and delete this. So this is my basketball code. Then tr enter trim and I will mirror it. Mi mirror it from here to here. It is the source object. No. So this is my basketball code. So but this is not in the scale. So I need to know the scale. I'll go to the Google. So it's 28.65 meters. See, you see the dimension here. It's 28.65 meters. So I'll go to AutoCAD. So L enter. Almost 28 means 28650. So this is my length of my basketball court. So I'll select this. I'll align it. AL enter. Select the first point. Select the first point here. Select the second point H here. Select the second point here. Click enter. Scale yes. Now this is my real basketball court according to the standard. See? So you can make it here like this. So if there is no, you can't make the trees, then delete the trees now. Just there won't be sorry trees in between. I can just grab like this, delete at once. So you don't need trees here. See, this is done. So now I will just hatch enter hatch here. So it may take time and hatch here. Mm, just wait. While hatching, it might take some time. So so I have hatched in all this area. So this is the previous hatch. I'll just select this hatch and again go here and I will select the grass. So go to the grass. So and make the scale like 500. See, you can see the grass. So just select it and go to the home and make it vegetations. Okay. So just MA match the properties. Select this vegetation and this will be also vegetation like this. Okay. So layer properties. So now my park is done. Then I will need to add the text. So I'll go here, text. So multi-line text. So pick here and like this, drag like this. Uh, but the see here, the height of the text is very small. At least we need like 300, 400 according to our drawing. So I'll leave 300. So I'll write anything like maybe toilet and I'll click outside. See, toilet. This is small, okay? So if I want to make big, I can just scale it like 2 times. See, or scale just it 1.5 times, make it more bigger. So then copy this text at every part like fountain, garden, basketball court, right here basketball court, sand area, maybe slice, maybe swing, just and just edit. Double click it and write picnic area or barbecue area, anything. So just triple click it and write it fountain. So now here just write gardens. So here write basketball court. Just drag it in the middle like this. So right here stand ground. Okay. So similarly move this in the middle. Let's select this. Skip. So my right swing. My right it slides. Then copy this. Right it playground. Playground. Okay. Yeah. This it doesn't need to be accurate. Just go here. Right lake or any pond or water area and like this. So this is done. So you need to give the dimension. So select the dimension here from here to here. So you can't see the dimension, right? So select this dimension, control 1. So this is the standard dimension style standard. So close this one and go to dimension style, DIMSTYLE, dimension style. So standard, you can modify this. So my problem was the symbol and arrows. The say is just 0.18 is not enough. So make it 500 mm. Text also just make it 500. Okay. So primary units, assign it this decimal lines. So beyond line make like 200 or 300. So offset from the origin maybe 200. So you can select C and this. Okay, close. See now you can see the dimension. So it's still very small, right? Compared to. So again, go to the dimension still. So I will click the space to modify and again same. So maybe for 1000 because our drawing is very big and maybe this also 1000. And maybe go to lines. Yeah, this will be enough. It doesn't see. Now you can it's like a bit visible. So if it's not visible, again go to dimension style and again modify 1500 again to 1500. So, okay, close. Now this is visible. So again dimension here DAL enter dimension this line as well. So see now this is done. So dimension this. So this size is done. So copy this here and write make it a bit bigger, scale it 2 times. Write plan of a park of the Arctic park. This is the plan of the park. Again copy this and write all dimensions are in millimeter. All dimensions are in mm. It is mandatory to write this kind of things. You have to give the information. So go to again tool palettes. And go to the net modeling, construction, annotation, mechanical, electric, civil, Mm, histogram, maybe in modeling. There should be somewhere called arrow. So and find the arrow here because in a plan it's mandatory to keep the arrow and so it's north. So I'll just make arrow myself just like this. I'll just mirror this. Then I'll write it north. So this is my north direction. So now this is finished. Then I want to save this as a PDF. Then I will control P, print. So continue to plot in a single. So in the name, so you can choose the PDF. Max up into PDF. So here choose A4 size paper. Go to the plot. Choose the window and just drag it like this. Like this. Enter the plot and make it a car. It will be colorful and preview. See, this is done. So, and then I'll right click it, plot, and I'll save this in my desktop as a park. Now this is done. So if you go in the desktop, you can see the PDF park. So this is done. So this much for today.